Our next lesson is about types of media. Media are ways we share and receive information. Over time, it has changed from old forms like cave drawings to modern tools like social media. The main types include traditional print, broadcast, and digital media. Each one helps people communicate in different ways. First type of media that we have is print media. This type of media, paper in ink, is reproduced in printing process that is traditionally mechanical, such as books, newspaper, magazines, journals, newsletters, and brochures. Print media may include text, graphics, or combination of both. In other terms, print media refers to traditional forms of media that disseminate information through printed materials. Again, this includes newspapers, magazines, brochures, posters, and books. Unlike digital media, print media does not require electronic devices to be consumed. Some of the examples are newspapers, magazine, books, billboards, posters, flyers, catalogs, coupons, periodicals. Ito yung mga madalas nyo namang nakikita tapos nababasa, nahahawakan ng kamay. Next type of media is text media. Text media is a type of print media in which it is a simple and flexible format for conveying ideas, whether handwritten or printed. Not all text media are print media. Text media may also be displayed on screen as part of broadcast media, multimedia, or new media. Typography is the art and technique of arranging the visual components of the written word. It features textual designs with optical illusions that improve readability and help convey meaning. Fonts and alignment are parts of typography. Differentiate muna natin. Print media versus text media para kasing magkamukha sila. So again, print media is physically printed on paper, while text media is any media that uses written words, whether printed or digital. So again, pag text media, pwede siyang print, pwede rin naman siya, makikita mo rin siya sa cellphone nyo, sa tablet nyo, sa laptop nyo, or computer. And ang print media kasi, meron siyang physical form. So pag sinabi mong print, in short, printed copy siya. Kapag naman text media, pwede siyang physical or online nyo siya makikita. Some of the examples for text media are books, magazines, newspaper, pamphlets or brochure, yung parang Avon, Natasha, MSE, posters, flyers, e-books, ito yung mga libro online, blogs, news website, captions on social media posts, emails, text messages, announcement, instruction manuals, advertisement with text. Pag sinabi mong captions on social media, tapos yung advertisements with text, di ba meron tayong mga pictures na may mga nakasulat dun sa picture, yun yung tinatawag na captions. Tapos pagdating naman sa news website, 'di ba 'pag halimbawa sa GMA7, 'pag pinalalabas sa TV yung mga balita, 'di ba may mga words na parang naglalakad sa ilalim ng TV? Yun yung tinatawag na text media. Next on our topic is visual media. Visual media is a type of print media that refers to pictures, photos, images, and graphics used to channel communication using the sense of sight. Visuals combined with text are also considered as visual media. Here are some of the examples for visual media. First is informational graphics. It is a visual representation of information to understand the high volume and complex data easily. For example, um, nag-survey kayo. Tapos para maging colorful yung presentation nyo, gumamit kayo ng graphs o kaya ng charts. Tapos meron siyang corresponding color kada graph. Other example is cartoons, a sketch or drawing intended as satire, caricature, or humor, like comic strip, editorial cartoons in newspapers and magazines. So, example dyan, sa nakikita nyong picture, si Doraemon. So, popular na cartoon to sa Japan. Another example of visual media is photography. A photograph is an image created by light captured on a light-sensitive surface, which is usually photographic film. So, if wala kayong camera para gumawa ng photography, pwede nyo naman gamitin yung mga cellphones nyo sa pagkuha ng pictures or photos. Our next type of media is broadcast media. It is a type of media that reaches target audiences using airwaves as the transmission medium. Examples of broadcast media are radio and television. This is just a continuation regarding with broadcast media. So earlier sabi natin television and then radio, part din yan ang live streaming. Bakit? Kasi, nagbo-broadcast sila ng channel nila, halimbawa sa Spotify, kung nanonood kayo ng mga podcast, that is already considered as broadcast media. So, television is the most famous and common broadcast media. It offers visualized content with motion and audio signals. While on the other hand, radio is another type of broadcast media. This technology allows businesses and brands to send information to specific group of people in the form of audio. Iba meron tayong AM, meron tayong FM. So, iba't ibang target yung sineservan nila ng information. And then again, lastly is yung live streaming. Live streaming is an advanced form of internet broadcasting media. Live streaming is a technique of transmitting data over the internet in real time. So, ginagamit to kadalasan ng mga paborito nyong vloggers, o kaya pwede ka ding mag-live stream ng video games, or kapag naka-live ka sa Facebook. And then, streaming something is meant to help individuals attend an online education session. Tapos nagkakaroon din ng virtual event kapag may live streaming, sports event, especially if hindi makaka-attend yung in-invite in person. Here are some or other examples of broadcast media. So, meron tayong audio media, a type of broadcast media that uses audio or voice recording as a medium in the delivery of information. So, best example ng audio media ay radio. Next is multimedia, a type of broadcast media concerned with the computer-controlled integration of text, graphics, drawings, still and moving objects, animation, audio, and any other media where every type of information can be stored, communicated, and handled digitally. So, kung mapapansin nyo yung pictures dyan, yun yung examples. Meron tayong PlayStation, meron tayong television, tapos films or movies na mga pinapanood nyo as example of multimedia. And then, meron ding radio. Part din siya ng multimedia. Another type is new media, a term used to integrate different technologies emerging on one digital platform and organize and distribute content. So, best example dito ngayon yung mga social media na pinaggagamit nyo. Di ba pwede kayong mag-send ng messages, pwede kayong mag-capture ng video, pwede rin kayong mag-capture ng photo, tapos pwede kayong mag-live at the same time. Let us give emphasis regarding with examples of media. So, iba't iba kasi yung examples niyan. Bakit ibigyan natin to ng emphasis? Kasi ito yung time nyo. Meron tayong interactive website. Kung nakikita niyo yung picture. Pag sinabi mong interactive website, it combines text, audio, video, graphics, and animation. So, yung user, pwede siyang mag-engage with multimedia content by clicking, swiping, and typing. So, pwede rin siyang maging two-way communication kasi Halimbawa, ako yung gumawa ng site, tapos meron akong visitor. So, kung ano man yung ginawa kong site, siya yung gagamit nung website ko. Tapos makikita ko kung ginagamit ba niya or hindi. Tapos meron din diyang online videos. Online videos use moving visual imagery, often with accompanying audio. Streaming platforms allow instant access to films, shows, music videos, tutorials, and more. So, best example ng online videos is YouTube. Then we also have television. Televisions delivers live or recorded audio-visual content. So simple, sa TV kayo nanonood ng pelikula, ng movie, ng cartoon, ng chismis, at ng balita. Meron din tayong video games for sure. Halos lahat naman kayo nagvi-video games. So video games is an integrated interactive gameplay with visual, auditory, and textual elements. So di ba sa video game, nakikita mo na siya kung paano ba siya gumagalaw. Tapos nakakapag-usap kayo habang naglalaro. And then pwede ka ring mag-chat habang nagvi-video games ka. Next is film. Film uses camera work, acting, audio, visual effects, and musical scores to tell story. Kung mahilig kayong manood ng pelikula, ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit gusto nyo siyang panoorin? Based from experience, sa akin kasi kapag halimbawa maganda yung trailer, pinapanood ko siya eh. Paano ko masasabing maganda? Kapag nadinig ko yung audio and visual effects na ginamit. Part din ng multimedia ang radio, e-learning platforms. Ito yung ginagawa nyo ngayon. Online education integrates digital text, graphics, video lectures, quizzes, simulations, and more. Part din siya ng multimedia kasi minamaximize natin yung student engagement and retention kahit na nasa bahay lang kayo or nagre-remote learning kayo. Next is digital art. Digital artwork contains any creations, designs on computer. Kaya nga siya tinawag na digital. Hindi po siya drawing ng kamay, sa computer po siya ginawa. Social media posts. So, familiar naman kayo sa Facebook, sa Instagram, and Twitter. Advertising and marketing. This type of ads use combinations of text, visual, and audio to promote brands, products, and services. Great job, everyone. Today we explored the different types of media from traditional tools like cave paintings and smoke signals to modern digital platforms like social media and websites. Remember, each type of media has played an important role in how people communicate, learn, and connect throughout history. As we move forward, remember that understanding media helps us become better and more responsible media users. Keep exploring and thinking critically about the media you use every day.